Audio jacks are endangered, but they are not gone yet. Here in this video, I am going to show you top 5 best smartphones that come with a headphone jack that you can consider to buy. It's been nearly 5 years since Apple removed the headphone jack from the iPhone. Yes, you can get excellent wireless earbuds these days, but maybe you prefer plugging in like the good old days. The joy of the 3.5mm headphone connector is that it's one of the few truly universal standards left. You can use pretty much any pair of corded headphones and listen to your music or watch videos. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which smartphone with a headphone jack did you like the most. Don't forget to hit that like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe my channel. OnePlus Nord CE. If you're looking for a mid-range phone that comes with a headphone jack, then OnePlus Nord CE will be the best for you. It's a device with a few hits and misses. Nonetheless, you get a solid value for little money. It's also one of the newest phones the company has launched, just in case you want to be on the cutting edge of affordable handset. OnePlus managed to get some nice specification in here. The screen features 90Hz refresh rate and you get a Snapdragon 750G along with up to 12GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The 4500 mAh of battery may not sound like much, but it makes a resourceful device like this one last all day. And if it happens to die on you, you can juice up with a super fast charging of 30 watt. Coming to its camera, it features a triple rear camera at the back comprising of 64 megapixel primary camera plus 8 plus 2 MP of other sensors. There is a front selfie camera of 16 MP to take beautiful selfies. The phone packs 4500 mAh of battery that comes with a fast charging support, and the smartphone runs Android 11 software. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. ASUS ZenFone 8. The ASUS ZenFone series has created a reputation for itself as one of the best value brands in the market. The latest iteration is not as cheap as the previous ones, but it is still a terrific deal considering everything you get. Aside from being one of the best phones with a headphone jack, the ASUS ZenFone 8 comes with a powerful Snapdragon 888 chipset coupled with up to whopping 16GB of RAM and a 120Hz AMOLED screen to give you immersive display experience. You will also love its small size and super clean software experience. The other interesting features of the smartphone are its beautiful 5.9-inch Full HD Plus display, dual camera setup comprising of 64MP primary and 12MP second camera, and a 12MP front selfie camera to take beautiful selfies. The phone packs 4000 mAh of battery that comes with a fast charging support, and the phone runs Android 11 software. Samsung Galaxy A52 5G. Samsung continues its fairy streak in the budget-friendly segments. The Galaxy A52 5G replaced last year's Galaxy A51 5G and refined a few of its best points. It follows Samsung Galaxy's S21 family design language, which results in a pretty sleek overall look. You will also get more than enough punch from the 4500 mAh of battery on board. The Galaxy A52 brings even more key upgrades across the board. The phone offers it all from its faster processor and more RAM, and even a better camera package and the latest version of Android. Despite the heating competition in this price range, Samsung fans will certainly be glad about having a great choice available for them. The most exciting features of this smartphone is its 6.5-inch Full HD Plus beautiful display powered by Snapdragon 750G chipset coupled with up to 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of internal storage. Quad rear camera setup at the back comprising of 64 megapixel primary camera plus 12 plus 5 plus 5 MP of other sensors. There is also a 32 MP of front selfie camera to take beautiful selfies. Poco X3 Pro. The Poco X3 Pro offers amazing value for the price. You will find some solid specification in this phone, including Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 processor coupled with up to 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. You will also get a nice 6.67-inch Full HD Plus screen that will give you immersive display experience. Also, the phone comes with a huge 5160 mAh of battery that also comes with a fast charging support. It really is quite a surprising set of specifications for a phone of its price. Therefore, it has become one of the best phones with a headphone jack. While performance is great, some sacrifices had to be made in other areas. We wish the phone had a better design, camera and display. It will also be a great gaming device on a budget. The exciting features of this smartphone is its beautiful display of 6.67-inch with Full HD Plus resolution, quad rear camera setup at the back comprising of 48 megapixel primary sensor plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 MP of other sensors, and there is also 20 MP of front selfie camera to take beautiful selfies, and the phone runs Android 11 software. Google Pixel 4a and the Pixel 4a 5G. The Pixel 4a is no powerhouse, however, its modest specification can handle their own and most users will see no hiccups. What's best is that this isn't only one of the best phones with a headphone jack, it is also one of the best budget phones on the market with great camera and performance. The phone is great for photography. It has a class-leading camera that can beat many of the super expensive flagship models. It also runs stock Android and has already received the latest Android 11 update. There is also a 5G version of the Pixel A4 available, which will cost you $150 more. Besides sporting 5G support, thanks to its Snapdragon 760 5G chipset, it also comes with a larger display than the regular Pixel 4 and a bigger battery. It also features 2 rear cameras instead of 1. The most exciting features of the Pixel 4a 5G is its dual rear camera comprising of 12.2 main primary sensor and a 16 MP of other sensor. It also has a 8 MP of front selfie camera to take beautiful selfie. The only disappointment here is the battery. It comes with a 3885 mAh of battery that comes with a fast charging support. So these are the top 5 best smartphones that comes with a headphone jack that you can consider to buy. If I had left any of the best phone in this list, please comment in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.